Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Guru YouTube channel. Today, we're going to dive into the simple present continuous tense. This tense allows us to talk about actions that are happening right now. Let's get started. Definition and usage. So, what exactly is the simple present continuous tense? It's used to describe actions that are in progress at the moment of speaking. Unlike the simple present tense, which talks about habitual actions, this tense focuses on what's happening right now. Action in progress. I am reading a book. She is playing the guitar. Form. Now, let's talk about how to form sentences in the simple present continuous tense. The structure is quite straightforward. We use a form of the verb, to be, am, is, are, followed by the base verb with, ing. This is how we show an action in progress. I am watching TV. They are studying for their exams. Affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences in the simple present continuous tense express actions that are currently happening. He is playing football. We are cooking dinner. Negative sentences. Negative sentences in this tense involve adding, not, after the form of, to be. Here are a couple of examples. She is not reading a book. They are not playing video games. Interrogative sentences. To form a question in the simple present continuous tense, we invert the subject and the form of, to be. Take a look at these examples. Are you watching TV? Is she dancing? Time expressions. Adding time expressions can give context to our sentences. These words or phrases tell us when something is happening. Here are a few common ones. Right now. At the moment. Currently. Today. Now. Practice exercises. Now, let's practice what we've learned. I'll give you a situation, and I want you to create a sentence using the simple present continuous tense. Let's begin. What are you doing right now? What is she doing at the moment? Conclusion. That concludes our lesson on the simple present continuous tense. You're now equipped to describe actions happening in the present moment. Keep practicing, and it'll become second nature. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next lesson.